Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix IOStore.SIGNATURE ERRor. PAK is invalid in Fortnite. So I'll show you how to fix this in a very quick and easy step when you encounter this error. So let's go ahead and begin. Before executing any other troubleshooting steps, make sure that Fortnite is not up and running on the background. Make sure, just go ahead and click on the bottom right, and if you see Fortnite or Epic Game Launcher, just click on right click and then exit out of it. Also make sure that you check on Task Manager, and if you see Epic Games or any Fortnite related, just go ahead and click on it and then add tasks. Another thing we could do is by deleting packs folder on Fortnite. By doing so, just go ahead and open up your file, this PC, and then your local disk C or wherever your Fortnite is located, and then program files. After that, go ahead and find your Fortnite and then click on it. Once you click on it, there will be a folder named content. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, the pack folder will show up. Once you see the pack folder, just go ahead and click and delete. Once you delete the folder, just go ahead and go to your recycle bin and empty your recycle bin. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and launch your Fortnite and it should be up and back and running again. If this video helped, please leave a like. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.